Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can design amazing store for boutique for clothing business in Lovable, and then we will convert into GoHighLevel. I will show you step by step. So let me dive in video without wasting time. I just designed this whole store in Lovable. You can see it's a Lovable with this prompt. I will share prompt as well in the video comments. And right now I'm going to convert into GoHighLevel. It's a super easy. So without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you how we'll design in GoHighLevel. I will guide you step by step. I just go back into GoHighLevel. By the way, that's a GoHighLevel. We just did white label it, and after that I just go to the site area, and after the site because we are going to build store, I'm just going to the store area, and here we can create new store. But before the store, I will guide you how you can add product, and then we will utilize into our store. So first of all, you need to go to in your payment section, and into payment section then you can see products, and then you can go to product. Here you can see we will add product here, and first of all you can create products or you can create collection. It's up to you. You can put titles, descriptions, and these are all basic necessary things of products you can add here. You can add variants, images, price, everything you can add here step by step. And after that, if you want to do like add categories, collections, so you can make categories as well. Here you can create your simply collection and add products. And after that I just simply go back, and then I can go to store, and I will design store similar like that we have design in our Lovable. So let me go back into GoHighLevel. So was to for channels, and I will just go to new store. I will go with the quick new store, and we can start from templates because we are going to make a Lovable store. So I just start from scratch, and I will say that cloth store. It will take a few seconds to load and add some necessary codes or necessary thing. Right here we have some basic store pre-built in GoHighLevel, but we are not going to use it. We will design our own. I just go back, and here we can add our other necessary pages. These pages are already added, so let me go, and we will go with this one. So basically this is the home page, adding some products and ideas here automatically, but we are not going to use it. We will design from scratch. I just delete all these things, and right now I can delete this one also in this section, and can delete this one, and we can delete this one and this one as well. So right now we don't have anything here. So what we can do, we will add first column here, and in this column we will add row or anything that you want according to your requirement. So we will say that 3 columns, and we will show our boutique here. Yes, this one and this. We will add 3 columns. In first column we will add logo, in second one we can add menu, and in third one we can add these necessary features. So we can say that we have 3 columns right now, and what we can do in the meantime, I just go into section and go into style, and I just make it 0, so we have at least 0 margin, padding and everything. And yes, this one is 0 from all cases. Simply I just go, and I will finish it this as well and this as well. Right now here you can see we have 3 sections. So in first section what we can do, we will add logo here. We will say that image, we can go with this one. We have all medias here. I just say that logo one, we will find logo here. Let me keep this insert media. We will say that this is a logo, and here what we can do, we will add menu, navigation menu here, and in this menu we will pause few things. We will pause this one, and we use business name as well. Okay, short, yes. We don't need icon here because we will create here, and we will stop business name here as well. I just say that yes, this one is business name. So we have menu here. So right now we can add necessary, add to cart. Okay, we will add card here, and also we will add few some search bar and search bar here. Let me add card, and then we will do add search bar here. So that's, we just build a basic structure, and then we will go with the another things. So that's how we can do basic stuff. Like we will design here, we will say that design here our first basic section, and right now I will add another section, another column. I will guide you step by step how we can do this. Let me delete this one, and the main thing is that main features I have already did it. I will show you step by step how we did it and where you can get idea. That's how you can utilize it whole system. You can just simply drag and drop the features and you will find all those things. I just grab my old store that I have already designed. I will show you step by step. Here you can see I just take one column. In one column we add 3 sections and this menu as well. I add just one, and on a left side I add logo menu, and you see search bar, and also we have cart to actions as well. And in the further case we have another text here, and in background in full section we have this image, this black image, and here we have text, simple text, and here we have some other text. Just we have call to action 2 buttons. One is shop now and new arrivals, and similarly we can play with this and we can make it color change and everything. We can do that here. And simple, we have text, and here we have another text, and we have products categories. Here we have link all categories with all assets, all the categories we have on a backend. We have just this text and this text, and here we have list of all products. And simply we have another section, another column where we have another row where we have 4 columns, 1 2 3 4, and here we have text, we have icon text, and also we have another text as well. Similarly we have here our products list, we have design here, and here we have footer, some review area, and here we have post from Instagram. I just simply did with basic code, and you can do it with manual as well, and it's up to you. And here we have some footer area. So that's how we have designed whole store from lovable to go high level, because if we can design everything step by step it will take a lot of time. So that's why we have already designed. I will show you step by step how we did it, and I will also set up your initial setup as well. And here we have other pages as well, like we can go to the card page, and I just simply go on a card page, and here I have designed just a simple basic card page with 2 product area. You can see default card, and here we have some 1 column, and similarly menu and footer as well. So if you want to buy this template or you want to design your store in GoHighLevel, simply go into leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, the link in description box below. Or otherwise you want to buy this template, simply go on a funnelflex.io. Also we have link in a description. You can simply go there and you can simply grab it here. Here we have a lot of stores and a lot of websites as well, and snapshots, some of snapshots as well. We have 500 plus design here, so you can go here and you can grab a design or whatever you think, and if you want custom design you can simply book free consultation here. Thank you so much for watching this video.